Welcome to the ServiceNow Center for Distributed Learning tutorial. In this video, you will learn about the many options available to request CDL services. To locate these CDL services, visit ucf.service-now.com. Direct links to these CDL services are also available in the Communication Hub. If you are not logged in, you will be prompted to log on to your UCF account. Select the Request a Service link, and then locate and click on the Center for Distributed Learning category. Let us start with a quick walkthrough of the CDL Graphics Request. All other requests will have a similar process. The CDL Graphics Request form is used to request banners, custom graphics, and items specific to IDL 6543 or DLI 7836. The first option, on behalf of, displays your name by default. If this request is for a faculty member, click on the field and enter the faculty member's first and last name. Please note, both you and the faculty member will receive all emails added to the ticket. Next, select the request type from the CDL Graphics drop-down. For this guide, we will select Course Banner. Proceed with entering all the required fields for your graphic. If you need to attach any images or documents essential to your project, you may attach them at the top right. Once you have completed the form, click on the Order Now button. You will now receive an email with all the information you entered in the ticket. The other CDL requests are set up in a similar manner. The CDL Video Request can be used to set up a consultation with a video producer. The Course Development Request should be used for accessibility requests, course content modifications, front page setup, quality badge placement, global text changes, ADL course setup, Realize IT course modifications, and HTML to Canvas. The DDL Communication Request can be used to request promotional external communication to target audiences like faculty and staff with email or Twitter posts. If you need to request a new web page or changes to an existing DDL website, please use the DDL Website Request form. The Essentials of Web Courses form should be used to request enrollment or completion records for this course. If you require administration-level help with web courses at UCF for things like installation of an LTI, assigning a new admin role, or some other LMS admin-related service, select the LMS Admin Request. If you need a non-academic, non-credit earning course shell in web courses at UCF, select the Special Programs Course Request. Special program courses are generally used for training and other professional development purposes. The UCF Mobile Opt-in Notification Request should be used to create a communication channel to reach a target audience on a mobile device. The Web Courses General Support Request is used when you need to set up an academic development course, submit an award, process the completion of teaching with lecture capture participants, or any other support-related service request. And lastly, if you or someone you are assisting has issues with web courses at UCF, you can request assistance through the Web Courses Support ticket. Once you submit your request, a ticket is immediately created and you will receive an email confirmation that includes a link to your ticket. You may add comments to the ticket as well as upload any additional materials. You will receive another email once the ticket has been completed. For support-related tickets, the ticket will automatically close after 3 business days. If you need to reopen the ticket within that time period, please select the Reopen Ticket button in the email. For request ticket types such as graphics, you will receive an email asking to review the product or service provided and accept or reject the completion of the work. If you select the Accept button, the ticket will close. If you select the Reject button, the ticket will be resent to the team. If you have additional questions about ServiceNow, you may contact the owner of the request or the LMS admins for assistance.